Let's play a jigsaw puzzle. Great job! What is the name of this bird? Have you seen it before? Hello everyone! Welcome to XueDao. In this video, we are going to learn about this poem, Woodpecker by Brenda Williams. Ready? Listen first. Woodpecker by Brenda Williams. Woodpecker, woodpecker tapping at the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, can't you see? Woodpecker, woodpecker, you can't win. You can knock all day, but there's no one in. Alright, let's recite this poem together. Ready? Woodpecker by Brenda Williams. Woodpecker, woodpecker, tapping at the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, can't you see? Woodpecker, woodpecker, you can't win. You can knock all day, but there's no one in. Alright, let's try to recite it faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Woodpecker by Brenda Williams. Woodpecker, woodpecker, tapping at the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, can't you see? Woodpecker, woodpecker, you can't win. You can knock all day, but there's no one in. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make it even faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Woodpecker by Brenda Williams. Woodpecker, woodpecker, tapping at the tree. Woodpecker, woodpecker, can't you see? Woodpecker, woodpecker, you can't win. You can knock all day, but there's no one in. Alright, great job, everyone! Now, let's identify the rhyming words in this poem. They are words with the same ending sound. The first pair is tree and sea. Very good. The second pair is win and in. Great job, everyone. What is this poem about? It is actually about a woodpecker pecking tirelessly without getting any benefit or result. In this poem, it sounds like the caterpillars were telling the woodpecker that they weren't at home, so that the woodpecker couldn't eat them. The caterpillars are clever. Now, let's see how the woodpecker replied the caterpillars. Caterpillar. Caterpillar, caterpillar, how are you? Caterpillar, caterpillar, where are you? Caterpillar, caterpillar, I'm here for you. You can hide, but I will find you. Wow, the woodpecker is clever too. Alright, that's the end for this video. If you like this video, you may share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye!